Hey coders, let's begin pong9. As you remember from pong8, let's run it, take a peek at what's going on. I have keyboard events coming up and I can move the the right paddle around. So what we're going to do in pong9 is we're going to get some collision detection going. All right, so first thing I want you to think about is, well, let me just use my hand here. Imagine this hand is the right paddle and then this is the ball, okay? So there's a couple different things that you need to do. You need to make sure that the ball doesn't go past the plane of the paddle, and also we need to make sure the ball is like less, you know, that it's greater than the top of the paddle and less than the bottom of the paddle, okay? So basically this is just a big if statement to do this collision detection, and let me just show you how it works. Okay, we're going to come down here and we are going to go into the right below this bounce code, and we are going to say this. We're going to say if, and let's start out with the x coordinate. Okay, so how far the ball has to move across this way. So we're going to say if ball x is greater than the r paddle x coordinate. Is that correct? Yeah. If the ball x is greater than the r paddle x, then we are going to just do a dx times equals -1. Okay. So let's give that a run. We'll see what happens here, and you'll notice that once it passes the plane, it bounces. Okay. Now that's fine. But it's not fully cool here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to say ball x plus the ball half, okay? Because the ball x here is the center of the ball. So we want the center of the ball plus, you know, how big half the ball is to be greater than that. Okay, now we're going to use a command here called AND, okay, because we need to check to see if 3 conditions are good. 1, the ball x is over, or the ball x is past that, and it's less than this, and it's greater than this, okay? So we're going to say AND. Right here, I'm going to show you a new command. This little / key allows me to put multiple Python lines on multiple lines, or like a really long Python line on multiple lines. Okay, so we're going to say ball x plus ball half is greater than paddle x, and we're going to say and ball y is greater than r paddle y, that's the top of the paddle, and ball y is less than r paddle y plus r paddle h, okay? So we're looking to see if the y is greater than the paddle y and the y is less than the top of the paddle plus the height of the paddle, okay? And if all that works out, then we reverse the decision and off we go. So let's do a run. Woo, let's see here. Bump. Okay, so it bounced. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of checking here first, okay? So, did you notice how the ball was moving kind of slow? That's getting kind of annoying to me. So I'm going to scroll up to to where it says dx equals 1, dy equals 1, and I'm just going to make those 2. That's actually the speed of the ball. If I made them like 15, they'd be flying around. But 2, let's see what 2 does. And when we run, the ball's going twice as fast. Now, I want you to notice I'm going to let it go over the top. So that works fine. And I'm going to let it go under the bottom, and that works fine. And now if I can play a video game, let's see if I can get it to hit. I'm not very good. Yeah, so there it goes. So we got some good collision detection here. On pong9, what we're going to do is we're going to get that left paddle going and maybe throw some artificial intelligence into it. All right, take care. Bye.